to record it.
All over the floor. You wanted it. You have it.
I need to go.
Follow her. Follow her.
Right, there's the water. There's the water. So you glad you've done it now? You alright? You're not going to want to do that.
I've had a bit of cinnamon. I don't care.
Yeah.
I don't care.
You don't want to do it.
I'll do it.
This is a meeting today. I'm recording because I have to do minutes and stuff. It's just so dreadfully dull.
It's so bad.
It is, honestly.
Really?
Pay for the shooting anyway.
I'll do it.
Pay for the clay pigeon.
It gets stuck
1,800 quid.
in here.
I'll do it.
It tastes
Well, we've
horrible.
gone
It
for
doesn't even
1,800
taste
quid.
good.
Gone for the barbecue.
And it's spicy.
I know. I've done it. I've had a little bit of cinnamon. I've not had like a spoon.
It gets stuck all around here. It gets
It's fine.
stuck onto
So
your
you're going
tongue.
for steak?
So.
Steak, yes.
Bloody hell.
Isn't it? It's a fiver, so it's not.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
I choked on a bit of
It's quite nice the clubhouse, actually.
What a
Really?
stupid guy. Yeah, okay. You're gonna call me.
I need to get the taste out of my mouth.